Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn the next chapter, O sound words. So we have to say it aloud. P-O-D makes pod. H-O-T makes hot. D-O-G makes dog. R-O-D makes rod. P-O-T makes pot. L-O-G log. C-O-D cod. C-O-T coat. C-O-G cog. Now start with O-P. M-O-P mop. P-O-P pop. B-O-P bob. H-O-P hop. T-O-P top. Next is O-B. S-O-B sob. M-O-B mob. J-O-B job. B-O-B bob. R-O-B rob. Next comes O-T. R-O-D rod. N-O-D nod. G-O-D god. P-O-D pod. And C-O-D great god. Next is O-G. F-O-G makes fog. L-O-G makes log. J-O-G makes jog. D-O-G makes dog. And C-O-G makes great cog. Now you have to read it aloud with me. Come, baby come, sit on the coat with a magic pot. Pop is a frog. Pop went hop and hop on the log. Okay, now we will do a small activity. We need to match the rhyming words. Okay, so who will tell me what goes with mop? So what is the rhyming word for mop? Good, T-O-P top. Great, you need to match it. Next word is pot. P-O-T pot. Okay, what goes with pot? Amazing, H-O-T hot. So you need to match pot with hot. The next word is dog. Good one, it's a log. So you need to match dog with log. Next word is box. Who will tell me? Correct, it's fox. F-O-X fox. You need to match it. Now we do one more activity. Write different words using the letters given on the tire. Okay, there are two words written on the car. Okay, one is top and one is dog. So what we need to do is we need to write the different words using the letters given on the tire. Okay, fine. So one is top. Okay, what is the next word which we can make using O-P? Great, it's a mop. Who will tell the next one? Great, it's a pop. Amazing, it's a hop. Now, next come to the next tire. The first word is dog. Who will tell me the second word? It's a log. Great, it's a fog. Amazing, it's a hog. Great. Now we need to fill in the missing letters. Okay, great. L-O-G makes log. Good one. F-O-X makes fox. Great. D-O-G makes dog. T-O-P makes top. Yes, B-O-X makes box. So kids, I hope you have understood what we have learned today and you will practice it more and more to be better in this.